Hey guys, welcome back. So I've been playing around with changing mods and trying to understand how those changes affect the car. And then I remembered the FC RX7 and how I wanted a rotor back in it instead of the SR20. So swapping engines is actually pretty easy. So that's what I did. So I took the data from the V2 pack and put that into the V3 car. So now the car has a 13B turbo with a GTX 3071R. All the suspension and everything's still the same. So it now makes 357 wheel horsepower, which is a fair bit less than what the SR did. 314 newton meters, but I left that weight the same at the 1175 kilos. So with that, let's jump in. All right, so back. Reset the camera. So back at Minami. In the fog this time. I need to turn off random weather. Alright, so now the car makes some rotor noises. So the lower power and torque actually make it more difficult to drive. Alright, third. Did not go to plan. Just going to cut the crystal strip. Alright, let's just reset. So now it has a red line over here. Maybe I went to it here, 8,000. Look like a bit after 8. But it feels like an RX7 again. Alright, let's try this again. Oh, I'm just not getting the... Oh, can I hold third? This spin. I'm not getting that jump at the moment. It's two disappointing ones. I need the limiter in second. For some reason the track feels a lot more gripped up from when I tried it before to test before the video. Alright. Third. That's better. Second. The computer had a stutter then. Alright, third. I can do third in this, but I end up running really wide. I didn't say that and it didn't work. Alright, let's just reset for the jump. Alright, second, flat, third. Definitely notice, yeah, the lack of power, or I guess torque, really, compared to the SR. But still fun. I'm just trying to keep that RPM up. Alright, I'll do one more jump. Alright, third. Not as nice as the previous two, but it'll do. Alright, I'm going to swap over to a different track and give that one a go. Alright guys, so I've swapped over to North Course for no real reason other than I just wanted to try North Course. And it looks like the weather defaulted to foggy. It's still an RX7. Didn't actually know the headlights could come up, to be honest. Almost off the edge. That's which I'm going. Alright, let's see how we go. So second, third. Clutch kick at the top of the hill. Go off the edge. Almost slid off the edge. Back the other way. There's one lap of north. I really should have gone back and changed the weather a bit from foggy. So second again. Third for the top of the hill. Try and drive it out in second. Kind of drove it out, but couldn't really link it. A little tight section. But like really north's just that entry. The rest isn't that interesting. Alright, try 3. So just get speed in second. Third. Right, can I get it around this time? Trying to keep it off the rev limiter. Almost backed off too much then. Gonna spin. Almost spin. The rotor is definitely more difficult in the SR20 the way I've got it set up. But it's still fun to drive, and the sound makes up for it. Alright, second, third. Can I hold third? Probably too low in the revs. Back a second. Yeah, I find third's a bit too high on the limiter. Have a couple more goes and call it for this video. So second gear. Just want to hit rev limiter. 8,000. Third. Down a second, drive it through, going off the edge. No. Probably should just put power down and try and drive out of it sooner than I did. Second. Keep it going. Just trying to keep it off rev limiter if I can. Alright. Second. Into third. There we go, that's better. Just gonna bang the limiter up, but just gonna try and keep it going. RX7. Yeah, so that's the RX7 with the rotary. It is different. The power curve's quite different, and it is down, I forget how many, 40 or 50 horsepower compared to the SR. But, it's got rotary sounds and 8,000 RPM limit. It is still fun, and yeah, just a bit more difficult to drive. Thanks for watching, guys.